All right, this video we have just two items, but they're awesome items, and you're going to enjoy it because this is going to be a great video. So let's get into it. All right, first up, well, it don't really have a picture on it, but you're going to have to just read the box, right? It's like a big syringe. You'll see it in a minute. That's one. Next up is kind of heavy for me to pick up after having heart surgery, but here we go. 1/2-inch drive swivel sockets, metric. So let's get these packages open and get into it. Okay, as you can see, it's a fluid extractor, right? Let's see, this tube right here is the bigger one. It goes in here. All you do is push it in like that. I thought it went in a little bit more than that, but I guess not. Yeah, there it went. And then you just push into this blue ring that way and pull out on the tube and it comes out. Now, it came with another one, but obviously it's a lot smaller. It won't fit in here. So what you do is you put this in here like that and make it longer if you need it smaller. So that's pretty cool. It also came with a little rubber flexi hose, because these are kind of like plastic tubes. They're hard. They don't bend all that good. They're not supposed to. So you get the flexi hose if you need it to be more flexible, right? So that's pretty cool. Now it also came with a little metal barb fitting for it. And it came with 2 extra O-rings. Now I'm assuming these O-rings are for right here to replace here if it ever quits. If the suction ever goes away and it don't want to work, you just replace them. So that's pretty cool. So let me get this put up and we'll come back to the sockets. Okay, I know people go crazy about this kind of stuff. You want to read this. This is all the part numbers. I think this is the, there's the sizes. It goes 10 to 24, no skips. I believe this is the first actual gear wrench set of tools that I've ever had. So we'll see how good they work, how long they last, and all that. I'm trying to show you everything. But guess what? Like most quality tools, if you have any problems with them, one breaks or whatever, there you go. Has a lifetime warranty. There's the other important information. And for those of you that's wondering where it's made, it's right there, made in Taiwan. Let's get to the sockets. Now, it's kind of a bummer that it come in this cool case, because I'm just going to put it in my socket drawer. I don't know where to put it. It needs to be somewhere in here where the 1/2-inch stuff is, metric stuff. As you can see, I got Sunex deep swivels in the 3/8 drive, and I got snap-on in the shallow. And of course, I got snap-on over there, right there in the shallows, and Sunex in the deep. That's standard. SAE sizes. I don't know where I'm going to put it in that case. I don't know if that case will fit right here. It might. We'll see. But if not, I'm going to have to put it on some kind of socket rail. So I'm going to have to buy that, I guess. But as you can see, it goes from, I guess you can see, goes from 10, I think I already said, all the way to 24. 10 to 17, then it goes 18 to 24. And I showed it to you on the box, or the little wrapper that was on the case. And there is no skips. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. It comes with all of them. There is no skips. So that's cool. Like I said, this is the first time I've had any gear wrench stuff. Let me get the camera set back up and talk about it. All right, like I said, this is the first time. Now I have gear wrench ratchet, a couple gear wrench ratchets. I think that I won from somebody, Autobahn Dan or somebody, I think, and I have a couple other gear wrench items. But as far as a set, I'm pretty sure this is the first set of gear wrench tools. Everybody I know that uses gear wrench tools, especially the ratchet wrenches, they always have problems with them breaking, which, I mean, I guess it's a good thing that they're lifetime warranty. But so I just never really bought into gear wrench. But a lot of people like it. A lot of people say it's just as good as the tool truck brands. So we're going to find out. But like everybody says, if it does break, it does have a lifetime warranty, right? Now these are spring loaded. Well, it's supposed to be spring loaded. There is a spring in there. You can see it. I don't know if you can see it in there or not. You probably can't because of the light, but I guess that's a spring. It might just be the ring that's holding it in. It feels like a spring. But anyway, this is the 21. It's pretty cool. Now, if I do a lift on my truck, these are going to come in handy. And they would have come in handy when I did the level kit on it. But instead, I used my snap-on 3/8 drive with a 1/2 inch to 3/8 adapter, which I don't like doing that because using a 1/2 inch gun on 3/8 swivel socket, they tend to break. But I've never broke one. The snap-on holds up good. And we're going to see how these hold up. So far, they look awesome. How good they are, I have no idea. I've never used them. So if any of you guys have used them, these gear wrench swivel sockets, 1/2 inch drive, leave me a comment down there in the comment section and let me know what you think about them. And like I said, you'll find a direct link to both of these in the comments. I think I said that in this video. It might have been the other video, but you'll see a direct link in the comments to both of these items on Amazon, because that's where I got them from. That and the socket set. You'll find a link to my Amazon store if you just want to go there and look around and see if you see any good deals on anything. There's a lot of good deals, so you ought to go check it out and pick you up something. There's some awesome stuff in there. Or if you just want one of these two items or both, there'll be direct links to these two. So with that being said, hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.